Aloha. Thank you guys so much for coming on out today. It means a lot to all of us that put this together, not just me, not just Jody. If you guys are wondering who now Pōmaika'i is, it's both of us because we both have the same Hawaiian name. Mine is just Pōmaika'i, hers a little bit longer. But we just like to mahalo all of you for coming on out. Hope you guys had a great experience so far. That's what we really wanted to get out of doing this type of events, bringing up some of Hawaii's finest musicians. Is to have that experience that's, for those of you that are born and raised in Hawaii, that experience that you guys don't get to have anymore. Like, when the last time some of you ate opihi, right? Ono, yeah, from the Dumbarton Bridge, yeah? Yeah, just kidding you guys. But yeah, we flew it in from Honolulu. Actually, I went back a couple of weeks ago. But moving forward, we just want to create that experience of how I was growing up in Waimanalo, Homestead. My PJ is still strong, especially all the guys that play with Kaluna, Ray, that those of you know that old man, Vinny Joy. He's not even in here yet, so we can't talk about him. But just sit back, relax, enjoy this evening. Got Mark Yamanaka coming up right after us, and great hula halau, award-winning hula halau. We're just so humbled and appreciative for all of you for coming on out. We had so much help in this. The flower arrangements you see on stage from Mr. Kekai Avalez. If you guys know him, I'm sorry. Oh, he stayed at the door, that's okay. Also, mahalo to, I know he's just been here helping today. Brother Ryan Dolente, he's our drummer in our reggae band. Also, one of our newest friends, not even a month ago we met him, and he's been spending a lot of time with us. Brother Fernando de Guzman from Waipahu, graduating Waipahu, and he graduated Stanford. Yeah, exactly. That's the first question I would ask. You know how many people graduate from both of those schools? They go, 3. Oh, how you know? And then next round of applause for Mr. Kerry Camacho. He's Casey tonight because he's a sound man. Only when he plays guitar with us, he's Kerry. Next round of applause for Kerry Camacho. And during our intermission, please go back and see our vendors. Hope you guys had some shave ice, because I did. Because I had to even out the 1,000 milligrams of metformin I take daily. Oh, sorry, I don't think that anymore. I kind of curbed my diabetes. But anyway, hope you guys can download Hawaiian Music Live, text, call your friends, family, loved ones throughout the world that they can listen to this concert tonight live on Hawaiian Music Live. And without further ado, we thank you so much once again. Enjoy, and coming all the way from Mililani, Oahu, from Farrington High School, one of the greatest MCs in Hawaii. Nice round of applause for Brother Wade Faildo.
Wow, what an introduction. Jeez, JD, I thought you guys would hire Billy V when you said greatest MC. I thought I was on the wrong flight though, yeah. Hey, good to see and meet all of you. We're gonna call you guys family already, because every time I come up over here and get involved with an event, I am just shocked and amazed at the love and appreciation you guys have for the Hawaiian music, language, and culture. So, if I can, I want to give you guys a big round of applause, because the love is always there every time I come up here. And I, believe it or not, I knew JD, kind of long time. In fact, I knew JD when he was shorter than me, if you can believe that. But he actually asked me to come up and be a part of this event, and I said, yes, absolutely, JD. So he already mentioned about the app. If you download the app, you can listen to it live anywhere on the planet. So if you have friends back in Hawaii, or if you have family back in New York, or even if you in all the way Japan or Dubai, they can listen to tonight's concert for absolutely free via Hawaiian Music Live. So download that app and get it. And when we're not streaming live, we bring you the greatest Hawaiian music 24/7, 365 days of the year. Because we all need more Hawaiian music. Can I get that? Yes. Absolutely. All right, now before we start this show, we want to make sure everybody knows everybody. So if you don't know the person on your left, turn right now. Tell them hello. How's it? You like give them fist bump, hug. Yeah, all right. Now, do the same. Turn to your right if you don't know the person to your right. All right? Very nice. Very nice. Now, if you're in the middle, ask them for $1. Again, it's going to be a good time tonight. We appreciate you guys visiting with our vendors early this year. How about a big round of applause also for the great staff here at Menlo College. Got a great Hawaiian program here. And of course, so they support these types of events. So we want to thank our friends at Menlo College for that for sure. All right, with no further ado, we flew in one of Hawaii's greatest artists. Mark Yamanaka is with us tonight. But opening up the show, we have the Bay Area's finest. And I love these guys for what they are doing to continue to perpetuate Hawaiian music. So if you guys can, please, a big warm aloha and welcome. Put your hands together for Pōmaika'i.